Hello guys, welcome to this first tutorial on Android app development. So today we are going to learn how to open our first project in Android. Along with that we are also going to learn Hello World program in Android. So let's start. As you can see, I've already opened my Android Studio. So I'll simply click on start a new Android Studio project. Now here the first thing it's asking for is an application name, so I'll give my application name as Hello World. Now location, it's up to you, you can change. Now here we are not selecting C++ support and Kotlin support because we are developing this app in Java language. So I'll click on next. Now here you can see various options are given. So I am simply developing this app for phones and tablets, so I'll simply select this only. I'm not developing for Wear, that is smartwatches, and I'm not developing for televisions, so I am selecting phones and tablet only. Now here you can see various API levels are given, so I'll select the lowest because from lowest to the top it will support. So you can read here that by targeting API 14 it will run on 100% of devices. So I'll simply click on next. Now here I'll select empty activity. Various other activities are also provided, but it's our first project, so let's work on empty activity. Now I'll click on next. Now this activity name, main activity, is the name of Java file, and this down one, that is layout name, is the name of our UI, that is XML activity main. So I'll simply click on finish. So it will take few seconds to load. So once it is loaded, we will start developing or start creating our AVD emulator. Now this emulator is nothing but an virtual device. It is similar to our mobile phones, in which we can test whatever app we are developing. So until it is loading, now this build.gradle is something which helps our project to load, as well as it helps us to check our errors. So basically it is used for that. Now we'll go to AVD manager. So here you can see I have already developed few of my emulators. So I'll create one more just to show you guys that how to create an emulator. Now here we are creating for phone, so I'll select phone. Now here you can see various screen sizes, so you can select any of the screen size emulator which you want to create. So I am selecting, let's say, 5-inch. So I'll simply click on next. Now here I need to mention the x86 image. With the help of this image we'll get look and feel like a mobile phone. So I have already downloaded API 28 label image, so I'll select this and I'll click on next. Now here you'll find all the settings related to this emulator. If you'll click on this show advanced settings, you can give some RAM options, like for example 1536 MB of RAM is given in this emulator what we are creating. Likewise you can give internal storage size. These things can be done here, so I'll simply click on finish. Once it's done, you can see that my emulator is created, that is Pixel API 28.2. So I hope you understood how to create an emulator, that is AVD, Android Virtual Device Manager. So okay, here I have one error. This error is nothing but that my Android Studio version does not support more than 26. So I have to write one line of code, that is support annotations. So with the help of this, what will happen is it will start supporting all the versions. So that's what I did. Now I'll simply rebuild this project, and once this is loaded we'll get our screen. Then I'll show you what are the things you can do. So our Gradle build is already running. It will take few seconds. Till then, let's go to design section. Now here in this palette you can see all our views are available. Whatever views we want to use, it's available here. You can simply drag and drop also, but it's better to do from this code section because it's in simple XML language only. So here they have already dragged one text view. So once it is loaded, I'll add few things here in this text view. Okay, Gradle view is complete, so I'll show you the preview as well. Now here you can see the preview, and along with that we can see the coding section also. So what I'll do is I'll simply increase the size of this hello world. So I'll select text size as, let's say, 30 sp. So as you can see, the size has been increased. Let's use some color. So I'll select text color. So you can use the color by hex code also, or you can simply select this color primary, color accent, which are stored in our colors.xml. So I'm selecting one of my colors which is stored. Now I'll show you where it is stored. Now you can go to res, that is resource. Here inside this you can go to values. Now here you can see colors. So here I can store various colors. I can simply create color name and I can give the hex code and I can create various colors. Likewise, the theme which you see here in this preview, this is the theme which we have selected, is inside this styles thing. So here I have selected theme app compat light dark action bar. So this is the theme which I am using. Now everything is ready regarding this project, so we will simply run it. So I'll click on this green button. Here you can see various emulators available. So I'll select mine one, that is MiPhone, and I'll simply click on OK. Now here I'll install and continue. So in few seconds my emulator will get loaded, and then this app will get installed in my virtual device, and then we can view the result. So here you can see emulator is loaded. I think some of the components are being downloaded, that is why it is taking time. Okay, that has been downloaded. Now Gradle build is running, so in few seconds our app will get installed. So it's installing APK. Now you can see that hello world has been loaded. Now if I come back, here you can see that my app hello world is, I guess this is the one. So this is, yeah, so this is installed in our phone or emulator. So this is the one which is installed. So I hope this program is quite clear how to open your first project as well as creating a simple hello world program. Thank you for watching.